Shanghai Forests Packaging Group Company Limited is a Chinese packaging brand company that focuses on customer centricity, strives to provide high-quality and innovative packaging solutions for customers worldwide. Founded in 1986, the group has become a national high-tech enterprise with leading packaging research, development, manufacturing, and sales capabilities. We are one of the highly regarded companies in the packaging industry, having the honor to win the prestigious tiles of SRDI's Little Giant, Scientific and Technological Enterprise. Forests Packaging is a well-known global enterprise, focusing on high-quality and innovative packaging, printing and logistics services. We have 6 wholly owned subsidiaries located in several cities in China, covering a wide range of business. Currently, the clientele of Forests has covered and extended to more than 153 countries and regions, including well-known brands such as Jack & Jones, Tom Ford, and Joe Malone. We will always be committed to offering a full range of quality services and support to our customers, establishing long-term cooperative relationships, meeting their diverse needs, and providing a powerful guarantee for their business takeoff. We firmly hold that packaging changes products. Products change the world. Our main product range consists of customized paperboard boxes, corrugated boxes, gift boxes, paper bags, paper tubes, paper hangers, gift cards, and envelopes, all kinds of paper-related packaging, which have been widely applied to food, apparel, cosmetics, electronics, and other major industries. We aim to provide professional packaging solutions to all the clients that choose us. Forests possess cutting-edge technology, state-of-the-art equipment, and a manufacturing team that would meet various packaging demands efficiently. Our production procedures have been integrated from creating the artwork, testing the box structure, model making, printing plate making, on-machine printing, post-printing finishing, paper mounting, die cutting, sticking, quality inspection, packing, and delivering. Forests offer packaging products and services in 3 modules to provide professional, one-stop packaging solutions, to offer competent industry packaging services for clients from all walks of life, to create personalized packages that could elevate the commercial value of clients' products. Forests own a highly qualified sales team of more than 100 with a bachelor's or above degree to provide you with responsive, in-time, and precise packaging information and services. Forests aim to seek breakthroughs and innovations to fulfill an unprecedented deed with an unremitting resolution.